Yeah. First question goes to Saha. Saha, a function inside another function is called a dash function. Choice, nested, second choice, around, third choice, sum, SUM. Nested function, round function, sum function.
So next state function. The answer will be next state
Very good,
function.
very good. So you have a notebook and
Yes,
have
sir.
a
Yes, sir.
have mark for you.
Mm-hmm.
1 mark for this question, like that. At the end, we will see how it goes. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Next question goes to Mr. Vaishnav. Vaishnav
Sir.
selects the entire row process. Which key shift will get the entire row? Select the entire row. Press A, shift plus space, B, shift plus control, C, shift plus alt. For selecting the entire row, what keys should we press, Mr. Vaishnav? Are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, is it shift plus space?
Correct. Give 1 mark for you. Good. Next question. Languages. It is Saha. Or shall we do this way, Saha? Saha, we will have about each alternate question. There will be interest for both of you. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Next question for Saha. Languages which can easily interact with the hardware are known as A, high level language, B, low level language, C, middle level language, D, none of these.
Sir, can you please repeat again?
Um, Languages which can easily interact with the hardware are known as A, high level, B, low level, C, middle level, D, none of these.
Sir, low level language.
Excellent. 1 mark for you. Next is Mr.
Okay,
Vaishnav.
sir.
Mr. Vaishnav, the communication between a processor and other devices inside the computer is done through what? A, channel, B, bus, C, network cable, D, chip. The communication between a processor and other devices inside a computer is done through channel, bus, network cable, chip.
Or bus?
Correct answer. You can get 1 more mark for that. I am changing the options also to get clear answer from you. Next question for Saha. Which of the following is not true for primary storage? Number 1, it allows very fast access of data. Number 2, it is relatively more expensive than other storage devices. Number 3, it is a part of the CPU. Question is, which of the following is not true?
Sir, option number 2.
Option number 2, no. Let me read out, choose the one. It
Yes.
allows very fast access of data. It is relatively more expensive than other storage devices. It is part of the CPU.
Sorry, sir. I gave wrong answer. Answer will be it is part of the CPU. It is a wrong statement.
Correct. Good. You get 1 mark for that. I go
Yes,
to
sir.
Mr.
Thank you.
Very good. So far, you have scored all correct answers. Now, Mr. Vaishnav, technique of using fixed words for machine code function is classified as choice, NEMONICS. Second choice, COMPILER. Third choice, MNEMONICS. Fourth choice, translator.
Oh, so mnemonics. M
Hello.
MNE. Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Correct. You get marks for that. Very good. Very happy. You told very nicely. Now, Saha Dash has a large storage capacity up to 17 GB if both layers and both sides are used. Choice DVD ROM, CD ROM, floppy. Of these three, which is correct?
Sir, please repeat again, sir. The question.
Dash has a large storage capacity up to 17 GB if both layers and both sides are used. A. DVD ROM, B. CD ROM, ROM, then C. floppy, number D. RAM, RAM.
सर याद नहीं आ रहा है सर इसका आंसर.
Both layers and both sides किधर आएगा? DVD ROM.
Okay, sir. Okay.
DVD ROM.
DVD
Next,
room.
next question goes to Mr. Vaishnav. When you insert an Excel file into the Word document, the data are A. hyperlinked, B. placed in a word table, C. linked. Vaishnav, what? Yeah. When you insert an Excel file into a Word document, the data are placed in a word table, then hyperlinked or linked.
Or is it the first option? Placed in
Correct,
Word.
correct. Very good. Correct option. Now, next one. Miss Saha, the technique where digital signals are converted to its analog form for transmission over an analog facility is called what? The technique where digital signals are converted to analog form for transmission
Sir,
over.
modem. Sir, modem.
Now I am reading out the choices. Number 1, A. modulation, B. digitization.
Sir,
What is the answer?
modulation.
Correct. You are right. Very good. Put a mark for you. Then next, Mr. Vaishnav. Which of the following protocol is used for transferring electronic mail message from one machine to another? Which protocol is used? Choice SNMP, SLIP, SMTP, OP. Should I read again?
Or is it the
Sugar.
first option?
Pardon?
SN first option.
No. I will read out. I know you are not listening alphabets correctly.
Yes.
Sugar, Nagpur, Maharashtra, Patna. Sugar, Lanka, India, Patna. Patna, Orange, Patna. Sugar, Madras, Trivandrum, Patna. Out of these four, which is correct?
Sir, first one.
No, the answer is last one. SMTP. Next
Okay,
one,
sir.
I will go to Saha. Saha, what is the correct syntax for typing a function into a cell? What is the correct syntax for typing a function into a cell? Choice, equal sign, comma, function name, comma, matching brackets. This is one choice. Correct syntax.
सर एक बार और बोलिए ना क्वेश्चन को.
What is the
What is the
correct syntax? syntax for typing a function into a cell. A cell का अंदर में टाइप करने के लिए कैसे मपी क्या क्या ऑर्डर में देना है? First choice, equal sign, function name, matching brackets. Second
sir equal
choice,
sign?
pardon?
Sir,
No. This
please
is one choice, Baba. Equal sign, function name, matching brackets. One choice. Second choice, function name, equal sign, matching brackets. ये दोनों में which one is correct?
Sir, equal sign, function name, and matching brackets.
Very
First
good.
option, sir.
Correct. Good. Next, Mr. Vaishnav. The dash settings are automatic and standard. Choice CPU, default. Out of these two, which is correct?
Default, sir.
Correct.
Default.
Very good. Excellent. Very good. Next, Miss Saha. Which of the following displays the absolute contents of the active cell? A, formula bar. B, active cell. Which of the following displays
Sir, A,
absolute?
formula bar.
Correct. Very good. Very happy. Next, Mr. Saha. Which of the following process is used by the computer to ensure that all the devices connect to it is in working condition? Which of the following process is used by the computer to ensure that all the devices connected to it is in working condition? A, starting. B, booting. Tell me.
Sir, booting.
Correct. Booting is the answer. Next, Vaishnav. Which of the following is or are examples of word processors? A, Microsoft Word. B, Word Perfect. C, both A and B. D, none of the above.
Sir,
Vaishnav?
both A and yes, sir. Both A and B.
Very good. Correct. Very happy. Now I go to Miss Saha. What does EULA stand for? First
Sir,
choice,
what does?
EULA, England, Urban, London, Agra. Okay. EULA. What does it stand for? First choice, End Utility License Agreement. End User License Agreement.
Sir, B. End user license. Sir, end user license agreement.
First class. Very good. Correct only. Then, Mr. Vaishnav, what is the process of dividing a network into two or more networks called? A. Divider, B. Subnetting, C. Ethernet, D. LAN. LAN. Repeat. What is the process of dividing a network into two or more networks called? A. Divider, B. Subnetting, C. Ethernet, D. LAN. Vaishnav?
Yes, sir.
Not, you
Sir,
don't
is
know
it
means?
divider? I
No,
don't
no.
know, sir.
The answer is subnetting. Subnetting. No problem. Next question. Who developed the concept of email? But the answer given appears to be wrong because actually email was invented by an Indian, but the credit has gone to somebody else. The choice given in the book I am reading: A. Bill Gates, B. Roy Tomlinson, C. Blaise Pascal, D. Sabir Bhatia. I think the answer given here is wrong. According to my knowledge, it should be Sabir Bhatia, but here it is given wrongly. Email invented by Acha, some other name. That name only is coming for email invention. Tell me, I'm reading the names again: Bill Gates, Blaise Pascal, Roy Tomlinson, Sabir Bhatia. Mr. I think it is Mr. Vaishnav. Don't know means you say I don't know. I don't remember, bol dijiye.
Sir, I don't remember, sir.
The answer is given as Roy Tomlinson. Roy Tomlinson. But I was thinking Sabir Bhatia is the answer, but wrong. Saha, which of the following operation is not performed by ALU? A. Division, B. Logical and, C. Complement, D. Exponential.
Sir,
Saha, division, which of the following operation is not performed by ALU? ALU means what? Arithmetical logical unit. Na?
लॉजिकल यूनिट. हाँ सर.
Yeah. Then
सर ऑप्शन एक बार बोल दीजिए.
division, logical and, complement, exponential.
सर सर लास्ट वन सर.
Yeah, memorized like that last one. Exponential. Acha,
Yes, yes, sir.
yeah, now I will get to know from Mr. Vaishnav. What is exponential ka matlab kya hai? Because I am now searching in the dictionary meaning. Exponential. Exponential function is the unique real function which maps 0 to 1 and has a derivative equal to its value. कुछ बड़ा काम सम ग्राफ डॉल किया है that is 0
Sir,
से
like
शुरू होता है,
increasing,
ऊपर जाता है.
yes, sir, increasing function. Like
Increasing function. Thank you. Very good. Now I will go to Mr. Vaishnav Ji. आपको floating point in computer refers to what? A. Invalid hardware type. B. Unsupported software. C. Decimal numbers. D. Virus.
Decimal number, sir.
Correct. I will go to Saha. Find the odd one out. MeGo OS, MWEGO OS, then Android, then Windows 10, then Symbian OS. MeGo OS, Android, Windows 10, Symbian OS.
Sir, I don't know the answer, sir.
The answer is Windows 10. Acha, why they are telling like this? MeGo OS, Android, Symbian, ये सब सेल फोन में यूज होता है ना क्या, मिस्टर वैष्णव?
Yes, sir. I think so. In Android and
Yeah, Android I know. MeGo OS, what is it? Let me check up. MeGo US is a Linux-based open source mobile operating system. I think all others are mobile operating system. That is why. Another one, Symbian OS. I am searching in Google. Symbian OS. Symbian OS operating system computing platform designed for smartphones. Super. After so many days, to now only I come to know that these are softwares for what is that? Smartphones. Whereas Windows 10 is a software for laptop and PCs. Okay. Very good. Yeah. Now we will go to Miss Saha. Miss Saha, which of the following is not a processor architecture? RISC, EPIC, CISC, DISC.
Sir, please repeat second.
Which of the following is not a processor architecture? I read wrongly, sorry. First time पढ़ने के समय पर I read it as process architecture. It should be processor architecture. Which of the following is not a processor architecture? RISC, EPIC, CISC, DISC. The
Sir,
answer for
DISP.
correct. The answer for that is DISC. And now this question goes to Mr. Vaishnav. Heat sink is used to A. Provide warm-up power to processor. B. Provide startup power to operating system. C. Provide cooling processor. D. None of these. Heat sink is used to. Can you?
it's, yes. To provide cooling.
To processor. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Correct. Good. Correct only. Very good. Next one, Miss Saha. A byte can represent any number between 0 and dash. Choice 8, 255, 256, 1024.
Sir, 255. 0 to 255.
Excellent. Thank you. Good answering. Now I will go to Mr. Vaishnav. The type of software that controls the internal operations in the computer and control how the computer works with all its parts is which of the following? The type of software that controls the internal operations in the computer and control how the computer works with all its parts is which of the following? A. Shareware. B. Operating system. C. Application software. D. Public domain software.
Sir, option B, operating software. Operating system. Operating system.
Correct. Good. And I think we started with Saha or started with Saha. So one more question to Saha. Key to represent relationship between tables is called A. Primary key, B. Secondary key, C. Foreign key, D. Both A and C. Repeat. Key to represent relationship between tables is called A. Primary key, B. Secondary key, C. Foreign key, D. Both A and C.
Sir, answer would be foreign key. Foreign key.
Foreign key and also primary key. The answer is
Okay,
D.
sir.
Both A
Okay,
and
sir.
C. Yeah.
Okay,
Last
sir.
question for Mr.
सर इसके लिए मैं मार्क्स लिखूं या इसको
No, you
मतलब
just
एक
note the mark. This is no, for this no mark. For this
ओके
no
सर
mark for you. Yeah.
ठीक है सर
Now, in case of entity integrity, Mr. What is your name? Vaishnav. Entity
Sir.
integrity, the primary key should be A, not null, B, null, C, both null and not null, D, any value.
I'm not.
You are not knowing it. The answer
सर
is given.
I know the answer sir
What is the
not
answer?
null not
Correct.
null sir
Correct is the answer. That was the last question, 249. So tomorrow when we meet at the same time, please go through 251 to 350. One thing, candidates, I am not sure whether the question will come only from this or not. There are nearly 5,000 questions with me, but I thought if we read everything, because we have other subjects also to do. So that is why, and the time available is very less. So that is why I gave you these 500. And if luck prevails, at least 5 or 6 you will get from this. That is my idea. Out of 15 questions, at least 5 or 4 will come from this. That is my expectation. Best wishes. This group, you have done very well. Both of you